Next, we will discuss question number 2. In question number 2, here given, identify the terms and their factors in the following expression. Here some expressions are given, and from this expression we have to identify terms and their factors. Now we will solve this one. Now first one sum 2a 6xy square plus 8x square y. Here how many terms are there? 2 terms. And first one terms 6xy square. Second one term 8x square y. And in this term how many factors are there? One is 6, then x, then y, then y. Why? Y square means y we multiply 2 times. And here in this factor 8 is the numerical factor, then x, y. Why we write x? Because x square is there. In question number B, here algebraic expression is there, minus 3x plus 4y plus 9z. In this expression, first one term minus 3x, second one term 4y, third one term 9z. Now minus 3x in this term factors are minus 3x, and 4y in this term factors are 4 and y, and 9z in this term 9 and z. These are the factors of this each term. The next question number C. In question number C, here twice AB plus A square plus B square. In this expression, here terms are twice AB, then second one term BA square, third one term B square. In twice AB, factors are 2AB. A square factor, A square means we multiply A 2 times, that's why A. B square in this term factors are B. I hope all of you understand. Next question number 2D. In 2D, expression given minus 10x plus 3y. That means here how many terms are there? 2 terms. One term is minus 10x. Another term is 3y. Okay. Now in this term how many factors are there? One is minus 10, another is x. And in 3y term, here factors are 3 and y. Next, question number E. In question number E, here given AB plus A square B square. Again, here in this expression, how many terms are there? 2 terms. Therefore, AB 1 terms and another term A square B square. In AB, in this term, factors are A, B. And A square, B square, in this factor, A, B, B. Why? A square, that's why A, B square, that's why B. And next, F. In this expression, terms are 7y and 2y cube. In 7y, factors are 7 and y. 2y cube, here factors are 2y, y. Why we write 3y? Because here given y cube. This way we can identify the terms and their factors of an expression. That means here in question number 2, here we have done up to F. G and H you can do as a homework. Okay. Then